During your time as a student, how would you describe the curriculum you experienced in school?
During my elementary years, the curriculum I encountered was well organized and well rounded, centering on the fundamental skills of learning. It highlighted essential subjects such as reading, writing, mathematics, and science, while also incorporating values education, the arts, and physical education to promote our overall growth.
What do you think was one salient feature or unique characteristics of the curriculum during that time?
I believe one distinct feature of the curriculum at the time was its strong focus on the basic and on instilling good values beyond academics. It helped shape our behavior, discipline, and the way we related to the other people.
Can you share some of the activities you usually perform in school under that curriculum?
In school, we often did reading, writing, math drills, and simple science experiments. We also enjoyed group projects, storytelling, drawing, and role playing. In values class, we talked about good manners, and in PE, we played games and joined competitions. These activities help us learn, build confidence, and work well with others.